Hi there and welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about social proof and most importantly, how you should use it. If you have it, great. If you're using it, even better. Some of you might be watching this thinking, hey Bob, what actually is it? And I'll tell you in a moment. So hello there and thank you for coming back. My name is Bob Gentle and welcome to Amplify. If you're new to this channel, take a second right now to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button below. If you do, also hit the bell. That way YouTube will send you notifications. And also, while you're there, hit the thumbs up icon and let YouTube know you like videos like this. That way they'll show my content to more people, which puts a smile on my face. So, what is social proof, Bob? Social proof is all the nice things people have said about you, shown to other people as evidence that you're a great person to do business with. We all have customers, and if you don't have customers, I have an idea for you in a minute. But if you do have customers, they will have opinions about you. A good proportion of those customers probably have positive opinions about you. So what I want you to think about is collecting those positive opinions in some way and sharing them with those people who are thinking about doing business with you in a method that demonstrates your value. Social proof. Proof of your legitimacy, your efficacy, whatever it is. We're giving evidence in the form of what your customers have actually said about you. So the first thing a lot of people are going to be thinking about is, well, I haven't been too diligent in collecting this social proof over the years. I haven't got many case studies. I don't have many testimonials. Well, I have a simple way of fixing this for you. If you have never done this, and even if you have done it in the past, what I would like you to think about is thinking about maybe 10 or 15 of your top customers. And instead of going and asking them for a testimonial, which is a bit vague, simply go out to your customers and say, we're in the process of reviewing our marketing strategy or updating our website, and we'd like to include some comments from customers. So could you take just 5 minutes to write down one paragraph about how you found working with us and email it to me? And I'd love to include that. Now, this is going to do two things. It's going to make it very easy for that customer or that person who knows you well to take action because you're asking them to do something simple that they understand. Write one paragraph. You've defined it for them. So they're not going to have writer's block. They have to write one paragraph about you. And that's super easy. The second thing that it's going to do is going to pretty much guarantee that everything that comes through to you is going to be, instead of a one-page A4 document that's super detailed but impossible to use, it's going to be lots of short, snappy one-liners that are really practical and very easy to implement. If you can imagine getting a testimonial that's War and Peace, how are you going to use this on your website? It's really hard. But if you've got lots of short paragraphs, they make your testimonials really useful. You can use them in lots of different ways. You can use them, I'll come to that, but you can use them in lots of different ways. So that's great if you're an existing business and you've got customers. Let's just pretend for a second that you're just starting your business. You don't have a big bank of customers. Yeah, you're a startup, or you've pivoted from one thing and you're going into something else now. How can you leverage social proof in your business? Well, what I would say is social proof is so powerful and so practically useful that I would actually make that one of your goals, and I would go out and find customers to let me deliver value to them for no money, because the trade isn't for money, the trade is for testimonials. I want testimonials because I know there's such a clear precursor to building my business that they're valuable enough that I will give away my services in some way for free simply to generate those. And I know that sounds like a bit of an ask, but if you want to be successful in business and you want to build your business quickly and at scale and efficiently, these testimonials are going to be one of the most valuable assets you'll have. So make that a priority in the beginning over sometimes making money. It's just some food for thought, but it will work and I guarantee it. So once you've got some testimonials, how can you use them? Well, here are a few responses that I gave to my client the other day. First of all, use them in your website. They should be everywhere in your website. They should be on the home page. You should have a couple on pretty much every single page. You can also use them as a standalone category of social media post. So when you're posting on Instagram, occasionally drop in a customer testimonial graphic. Wherever you appear, your testimonials should appear alongside you from time to time. You can use them when you're sending out quotes to customers, when you're sending out pricing. Send out your pricing along with a couple of testimonials. It helps that customer feel good and comfortable about that decision that they're making to use you. If you can imagine your customers maybe thinking, I could use Bob, or I could use this guy, or I could use this guy. If you have testimonials and the others don't, and everything else is even, they're very likely to flip in your direction. So think about that. Another place you can use quotes, another place you can use testimonials is whenever you're running any kind of presentation. So if you're giving a sales presentation or a marketing presentation or a webinar, include some customer testimonials in there just to demonstrate you're not just talking this, but you do it and people think you're good at it. And this really matters because everybody's good at talking the talk, but demonstrating that you walk the walk is very, very important. And testimonials go a long way to proving this. You can include them in a testimonials page on your website where you can gather them collectively, as well as sprinkling them out across your website. You can also include them in the bottom of all the emails that you send out, whether that's your own sort of daily email, whether that's transactional email if you have a download section on your website where people download lead magnets, if you run an e-commerce store, the transactional emails, all of these points where people can encounter you in email, even your marketing emails, obviously, include some testimonials from time to time because they are proving that it's not just you says you're good, other people say you're good as well. An important word about testimonials as well is there is a sliding scale of effectiveness of testimonials. The scale starts with unattributable, unnamed testimonials that quite honestly could be fake. They will work at an unconscious level, but they won't work as well as more obviously attributable testimonials. So if you can name who the person is as a person, great. If you can name the company as well, even better. For bonus points, having a photograph of the person that said it will make it much more impactful. The cream is a video testimonial. Somebody actually saying on camera, this person's great and I trust them, will be very, very powerful. Now, a lot of people, when they hear that, will go straight towards thinking about high impact, high production value video. No. Something shot on a mobile phone will be just as powerful as a high production value testimonial. So if you are thinking about using testimonials, consider as well if maybe just having 3 or 4 of your customers shoot a quick video for you. It can be really, really powerful. So I hope you're using social proof. I hope you're using testimonials. Just wanted to give you a few ideas of some of the ways that you can use it and some of the ways that you should use it because you should use it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about testimonials or social proof, drop them in the comments below. People often don't, and I'm paying attention to the comments. So if you comment down in the videos, you will have my full attention and I will give you all the help I can. So do comment. If you enjoy this kind of video, then consider giving it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. And if you do, hit the bell. That way YouTube will send you notifications every time I post new content, which right now is every Wednesday. My name is Bob Gentle. You've been watching Amplify. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time.